This is the quick menu system on the Panasonic LUMIX S-Series camera. So the quick menu allows you to avoid going into the larger menu system and do changes that you make more frequently right on the screen. Let me show you. So there's a Q button right here. You push that. That brings up what we call the quick menu. Now these are an abbreviated set of what is in the full menus, and you can also customize this. So there are several ways to navigate around this. So I can use my left and right switches to go up and down here, left and right buttons. I can use the joystick to go around this. I can also use the touch screen to go around this. Now once I've chosen something that I want to change, let's say I want to change white balance, then I can use the thumb wheel and the index finger wheel here to change those settings down here at the bottom. See the same thing there. So this is how basically you make choices within the quick menu, but you can also go into the full menu system and you can customize the way the quick menu is set up. So let me go over here. I'm going to choose the cog or the gear setting. I'm going to go over and I'm going to go into Operations 1 and I'm going to go to my quick menu settings. Now here I can actually choose the layout. This is the layout that's the default. Okay. This is another layout that doesn't show you a preview, it just shows you your choices, so if you don't need to see what it's going to look like on the screen. I'm going to go back to the default setting. I'm going to push the back arrow, which takes me back a page. Now I can go into front wheel assignment. I can assign what these wheels do, my index finger wheel up here and in the rear one. So now I can go in and I can customize what's in those menus depending on whether I'm shooting photos or I'm shooting video. So if I go here, it's just showing me everything that is currently in the system. If I want to take out noise reduction, if I don't ever care to see noise reduction in the quick menu, I push the menu set button, and here are all the choices that I can reassign that button to. So let's say I want to assign it to aspect ratio. I choose that, and now that button in my quick menu is going to be aspect ratio. So that's how you control the quick menu system on the new Panasonic LUMIX S-Series cameras.